Hi, I'm Kayla Patterson, and this is my online portfolio. I decided to go with like a mint green and blue kind of theme because I do like the Northern Lights. I wanted to feature that in my portfolio because that's something important to me. In the middle here we have my logo, which just has my first and last name, and then down below it just says "Welcome to my portfolio" and briefly describes what this website is going to be used for, and just says that it has my work and my name so people can see that I'm pursuing a career in marketing. The next page is about me and has a picture of me, and then down below it has pictures of me and my friends, and it just says, I'm Kayla Patterson, a freshman at the University of South Florida, majoring in marketing. I'm originally from Tallahassee, Florida, but my family just recently moved to Lakewood, Colorado. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to do something that involved people. I loved talking to any and everybody, and when I turned 16 and got my first job in retail, I knew I was going to do something involving sales. Through research and talking to many different company leaders, I discovered the world of marketing and was set on that being my future career. I have always been told that I could sell anything and often was recognized at work for pushing sales. For 2 consecutive years at my job, I was awarded an outstanding customer service title and won numerous satisfaction surveys. I've seen firsthand through my dad's company that what a marketing director and coordinator can do, and this is the exact job I would love to have in the future. I think building and maintaining relationships as well as educating yourself and consumers on products is important for any company to be successful. Not only do I have the required skills to do this, but I also have the passion and drive to flourish in a position like this. And then you have the next page is my resume. At the top, it has a downloadable file that you can just click on and download it, but it's listed below as well just in case you don't want to download it or you're unable to. And then the next one is my sample work. And same thing, it just has a bunch of files of work that I've completed, like essays, press release samples, business strategies, advertisements. So all of those are down below. Same thing, you just click them and download it. The next tab is my blog, and you just click on the link and it takes you right to the blog, which has reflections and assignments that I've completed that can showcase more skills that I might need to be required in the marketing field. And then the last one is just my contact info, which has my email, my phone number, and my Instagram all linked, so you can easily just click that and access it.